Perfect. My name is Eloi. I'm the French spy sent by the government to study on Serbian people, and here is my report on Serbian women.
Emporté par la...
First, they may appear to be very superficial, like they put makeup everywhere, they are taking selfies all the time, they're changing clothes every day, but it's not what you think.
You think she's doing it for Instagram? No. Her phone is directly connected to the Serbian Secret Service.
In every place where they don't have a public camera or a babushka looking in the windows, they put a Serbian woman taking selfie, so that they have a complete coverage of the Serbian streets.
Shit.
And they became masters in the art of disguising. Impossible to recognize them. Impossible. And something else. Even if you learn Serbian for years, like me, you cannot understand Serbian women when they speak Serbian. They speak way too fast. Really, like faster than French people. Faster than people from Niš. Yes. Ne možete razumjeti. And I don't know if it's very useful for the French government to know, but they have a superpower. Serbian women, they can eat čelapi all day. Pljeskavica, punjena paprika, sarma. They cannot get fat. They are always like this. We need to find how they do this. And you may wonder, how do I know so much about Serbian women? Well, it's because I married one. Yeah, it was actually quite easy for me to find one. I guess you know, because I'm cute, smart, spy and everything.
Zašto sam izabrala Elou? Pa zbog njegovog pasoša, zbog njegove duhovitosti, zbog šarma, zbog njegove ličnosti, lične karte.
The next spy coming to Serbia, you will need to find a Serbian woman. Just so that the government think you're here for love and everything. But be careful. If you can find one, that's when the hard thing starts. First, they will try to control you. You must resist. Like me, they cannot control me. Like mine, she's totally in love with me. She even gave me a t-shirt yesterday. It says Papuchar. I don't know what it means, I guess like a cute guy or something. She's completely in love with me. Controlling me. So now let me explain you what's gonna happen to you in the next weeks and months after you get your Serbian woman. First, after 1 week, she's going to change a bit. You will see.
Hoćeš da ti napravim sarmu? Ajde bre, šta gledaš malo? Ajde, kuvaj malo!
And after a few months, you're probably going to meet the rest of the family in what they call a slava. So here you must be very careful. First, you need to remember the family relation of everybody. And the problem is that they have a different name for everybody. Like there is the Stric, the Ujak, the Strina, the Ujna. Like everybody has a different name. But if you cannot remember, it's okay, you can just call them like Brate, Sine, gde si? Like even the grandpa, like Sine, gde si? It's okay. But they're going to use their secret weapon against you. Rakia, yes. And you cannot refuse it, otherwise it means you're a spy. So you're gonna have to drink it. And you cannot say anything on your mission. Even if you're completely drunk, you must stay silent.
This is the smartest thing ever.
Je život jedna žena. Also, you must know that they can be very jealous. Anyway, that's it for my report. See you next time. Ciao.